Good day, I'm Adrian Atkinson and this is your JIS News for Friday, October 6, 2023. The tourism sector has recorded 10 consecutive quarters of growth, with earnings of just under $1 billion for the period July to September this year. Preliminary figures from the Jamaica Tourist Board, JTB, shows that during the period, the country welcomed over 682,000 stopover arrivals. This represents a 5.5% increase over the same period last year. Earnings also went up by 7.3%, bringing it close to the $1 billion mark. Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett hailed the consistent growth of the sector, saying visitor arrivals from the UK market outperformed the United States market during the quarter. Minister Bartlett adds that Jamaica is now the #1 Caribbean destination for UK visitors. The island is also poised to receive visitors from Canada through the JTB's Come Back to Luxury campaign. It was launched recently and targets 500,000 visitors by 2025. The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, says work has begun to develop a national lightning program. This was disclosed by Acting Deputy Director General Michelle Edwards at a JIS think tank on Wednesday.
Our intention is to raise awareness for persons to take precautionary actions and to be more mindful and take safety towards the lightning hazard more seriously.
The country has been experiencing bouts of lightning associated with the 2023 Atlantic hurricane season. This has caused injuries to persons in recent weeks. Ms. Edwards said the program will be designed using 3 pillars. These include hazard inclusivity, enhancing lightning protection systems, and lightning safety, as well as improving national lightning detection capacity. The National Lightning Program is being developed in partnership with the Meteorological Service of Jamaica and other key stakeholders. Ms. Edwards advised that ODPEM has been hosting several meetings to increase awareness about the emerging dangers of lightning. Lightning is among the deadly hazards that affect people, infrastructure, livestock, crops, and technology.
The ODPEM has long been at the forefront of disaster preparedness and mitigation activities. And of course, our aim is to not only be able to coordinate effective response, but to also look at how we reduce the impact of hazards on our Jamaican population.
150 farmers in Kitson Town, St. Catherine are to benefit from technical support and skills training through a $1 million program. Dubbed Improving Rural Livelihoods Through Resilient Agri-Food Systems, the project is being undertaken over the next 2 years through a partnership between the Ministry of Agriculture and the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. Skills training will be targeted to women and youth from 26 districts in and around Kitson Town and facilitated by the Heart NSTA Trust. Portfolio Minister Floyd Green said that the program will help build the sector's resilience against climate change and other challenges.
This US $1 million project will take a comprehensive approach to the transformation of our agri-food system. It is a holistic approach that's based on partnership, pulling together our international partners, pulling together various government entities, but more than that, ensuring that the farmer is at the center of the partnership.
The program's national coordinator, Princess Lee, asserts that the project will increase agricultural productivity by at least 10%.
We plan on doing this by incorporating varying agricultural technologies.
The project will provide government with technical assistance to design, plan and implement agricultural technologies. Other program benefits include technical support in the design and development of a training curriculum, a boost in agricultural production within Kitson Town, at least a 10% boost in participants' income, as well as government officers training in climate technologies. Upgrading works are progressing smoothly at the Onotta Bay Hospital in St. Mary. That's the update from Member of Parliament for St. Mary's Southeastern, Dr. Norman Dunn, during his opening presentation of the 2023-24 State of the Constituency debates in Parliament recently. Dr. Dunn is also State Minister in the Ministry of Labour and Social Security.
We are currently also constructing 2 new blocks at the hospital. One will house the orthopedic wing, the lab and the administrative area, and the other will host a brand new pediatric ward.
The Member of Parliament advised that the additions will fully transform the institution and increase the ability of staff to save lives. Dr. Dunn also informed that the construction work is ongoing at the Anotte Bay Clinic.
The Anotte Bay Clinic is undergoing a comprehensive renovation. Additionally, the Belfield Clinic, that has been a state of disrepair for so many years and is now closed, and its services dispersed to church halls and other health institutions across the space. I am happy to report, Madam Speaker, that a brand new structure will be created with the construction to begin shortly.
And finally, Dr. Catherine Troop has been appointed Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Education and Youth. The appointment took effect on October 2. Prior to her selection, Dr. Troop was the Acting Chief Education Officer. Portfolio Minister Favour Williams congratulated Dr. Troop on her new role, saying she's a highly qualified educator with competence in transformative leadership, educational policy implementation and youth advocacy. Dr. Troop has served the education sector at numerous levels, including guidance counsellor at St. Andrew Technical High School, senior teacher at the Queen's School and principal at Denby High School. She also gave service as an education officer in Region 6, assistant chief education officer in Region 1 and acting deputy chief education officer. Dr. Catherine Troop took over the permanent secretary post from Dr. Maureen Dwyer, who served from October 2021 to September 2023. Dr. Dwyer returns to her position as Chief Inspector at the National Education Inspectorate. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Adrian Atkinson. Thank you so much for watching.